Okay, let's do some engraving. I have these tumblers that were stripped. They were sublimation tumblers, but now they're completely stainless steel. I have a work function that's going on. I'm teaching a training to TAs, and we're gonna add something to this. We usually have a Kahoots at the end of our training, so the winners will be winning this. For this project, I'm gonna be using the xTool S1. I am gonna be using the chuck tool, or the rotator, I think, rotary attachment 2 Pro with the chuck part. I have the rollers too, but I decided not to use those. Let's get to it. And this is the laser, the 40W, but I'm gonna change it to the other one, which is the 2W1064. That one engraves metal so much better. So let's try it out. All right, let's go get that laser, which is over here. This little thing. Okay, here it is. To do this, it's not that complicated, but it does take some agility. So, I don't want to move that. Let's put it over here. So this is a step-by-step, real time, so you can kind of see the process. All right, I'm gonna take it out, and here it is. Now I'm gonna put you here so you can see what I'm doing. Right here. There we go. You can see what I'm doing. Now bear with me as I am taking the time to take all this stuff out and treat it. I do have the machine on. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off because that's the best thing to do. And let's unscrew this. This is the least favorite part of the process, is having to screw and unscrew all of this stuff all the time. But I guess it's okay after a while. Okay, here we go. And then let's remove that, remove this, take it off. Now, I'm gonna put this one here, which it kind of just snaps on. And then let's put the screws on. 1, 2. Can you guys hear the train? Okay. And you don't have to tighten it so much. All right. Now that this is done, let's put this little thing back, which goes right here. There we go, it snapped on fairly well. We had to put these things back, the air assist, and then this is what gives it the power. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn it back on. It's on. Let's come back over here. Now let me find the design and everything, and I am using the chuck attachment, which means I had to measure the perimeter. You either measure the perimeter or you measure the circumference, the diameter, and it will calculate the other one automatically. I like to do the perimeter because it's easier for me. And my settings are in inches, so I am doing this in inches. I believe this one it's 9 or 8.75. Nope, it's 9.25. Okay, that's great. And then it is going to be 8 inches high. So did I say 9 inches? I always lose my measurements. Okay. This is going to be 9.25. Perfect. So now let's go on the computer, and once we are here, my design is right here. I am going to click on the screen so nothing is selected, and then process. I'm gonna use the rotary attachment, and I'm gonna do chuck, and the perimeter is 9.25, and it's gonna fill in the diameter automatically. Now let's go put the tumbler in the laser. Now we are here. I'm gonna set you right here so you can see what I'm doing. Yep, right there. I'm gonna remove the lid. Okay, I'm gonna make this, so righty-tighty makes it smaller, so I'm gonna rotate it to the right. And then, oh, it needs to be smaller. Okay, maybe bigger. So what I'm gonna do is, just gonna attach it out here. Okay. Righty tighty. This is okay. It's all good, and let's see if it is straight. Pretty straight there. Okay, so now this is done. Let's go process everything. So the settings that I am using, actually, we're not done yet. We actually need to do the distance right there. So let's put this like right in the middle. I think this is the middle. And we're gonna press distance. Reset it. Okay, we're gonna do this again. Perfect. Now, this is pretty big, so it's about 5 inches, which is fine. So I want to kind of know where it's gonna go. So I think I'm gonna start it here. I want to kind of go right there. So let's frame it. You're gonna press frame, and you're gonna come over here, and then you're gonna see where it's gonna go. See, I don't want that. Yeah, not what I want. So now I'm gonna move this down, which maybe there. I'm gonna start framing it again. Okay, it is still not perfect. There's a gap there. I am not gonna make it in 10 minutes, so I'm gonna tag the video below. I'm gonna post them at the same time.